Let's get started assembling your i-Mop. When you receive your i-Mop XL, it needs to be assembled. Setting up your machine takes less than 2 minutes. Let's start with the basics. The splash guards ensure that the brushes do not spray liquid out of the sides when the i-Mop is in use. Just push them in the slot until they are fully inserted. After that, it's time to put the brushes on. They are very simple to install. Remember to twist them both towards the middle. Now you need to push on the squeegee blade, which picks up the dirty water. The next thing is to install the clean water tank. It clicks securely into place on the back of the machine. Now the i-Mop is almost ready to go, and you just need the 2 batteries. They are put on according to color code: blue clip to blue connector and gray clip for the gray connector. Last but not least, the dirty water tank needs to be put on. It is held in place by the built-in magnet. Using your i-Mop XL is as easy as it is to assemble. Now you're ready for faster, better, and more environmentally friendly cleaning.